With such a beautiful day for baseball, why do PA Law in the studio? It's on location today, PA Law on PA Live. I'm here with attorney Bill Vinsko from Vinsko and Associates in Wilkes-Barre. Bill, this is great up here, isn't it?
Oh, it's fantastic. I was so excited to see everybody coming out. The stadium looks beautiful, and it's just like Yankee Stadium, only here in Northeast Pennsylvania.
Yeah, right. You don't have to travel the full 2 hours to get out there and see it. And you did a neat thing today for our PA Law segment. We're going to talk about contracts, which we hear all the time about in baseball, and it's more than just player contracts when it comes to baseball, right?
Absolutely. When I thought about coming out here today, I thought, what is just like baseball? And it's contracts. These players all have contracts, and a contract with a baseball player is just like a contract with anybody else. And you want to know that you have all the essential elements of a contract.
And tell us how a contract basically works when it comes down to legal terms. There are a few parts of what's considered an agreement that make up a contract.
Absolutely. There's an offer, there's an acceptance, and in consideration. And putting it in baseball terms, when the Yankees deal with Derek Jeter, they offer him a certain amount of money, and that's the offer. He accepts that offer, and the consideration is he's got to be out on that field playing. Everybody has done that here. And once you have all those elements, that's part of the contract. The consideration is the money and his performance.
And Bill, sometimes we hear about breach of contract or lawsuits that break out over contract situations. One thing to consider is there really is a statute of limitations. So if you do have a gripe over any contract, there's a certain amount of time you have to act.
Absolutely. It's 4 years in Pennsylvania. If you have a dispute for anything, whether it be somebody cutting your grass or over a sale of a car, you only have 4 years to act. Now, of course, the New York Yankees have it in New York, so the law is just a little different, but in Pennsylvania, it's 4 years.
And then finally, with the contract, I mean, it's something that you want to have looked over carefully, right? Something you want to take a close look at and probably consider an attorney to make sure all the terms are what they should be.
Absolutely, because in a contract, if there's any ambiguous term, if it goes against the person that drafted the contract. So in this case, if the Yankees offered the contract and it was their contract, there's something strange about their batting average, well, it's going to go in favor of the player. So always look and make sure the terms are crystal clear.
Geez, Bill, I like the inside advice. I may have to have you take a look at my contract. You've got some great insight to contract.
Yours and Derek Jeter's. If Derek wants to call me, give me a buzz. That's
right. Yeah, he may earn you a few more bucks than I will. But Bill, for any contract situation or any other types of law considerations, you're there for our viewers to give you a call or email.
Absolutely. Give us a call 970-9700 or check us out at Vinsko.com.
All right, it is a beautiful day. I'm here with attorney Bill Vinsko from Vinsko and Associates, the PA Law segment right here on PA Live. Attorney Bill Vinsko, great to see you. We'll see you next week back in the studio.
Absolutely. Enjoy the game, Dave.
All right, you too.